All right, cold calling session. Let's see how this goes. It's a bad number, but it's okay. We can just look at it.
This is Joy.
Hi, Joy. Is Marie available to speak?
Well, who's calling? And what Marie would you like?
The CEO, Marie, and my name is Aaron Bogle.
We have no CEO by the name of Marie.
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I must have had the.
I think you have the wrong number.
I must.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Well, that was not every list can be good. Yeah, that was my fault. Yeah, that was just laziness on my end. Oh well, live and learn. If the business owner's name is wrong,
To Verizon Wireless, we're unable to complete your call.
I typed in the wrong number.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for corporate mainline. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message.
Hi, my name is Aaron Bogle at 9. I'm looking to speak to see if I can connect with 5 to 10 new cases this month. New home care cases, private pay. So please give me a call back at 973-713-1828. Thank you. Hi, my name is Aaron. Could I be connected to Bonji, please?
Speaking, how may I help you?
Hope you're doing well today. Are you still taking on new home care cases?
Yes, I am.
Okay, great. So I'm calling to set a 10-minute appointment with you because I want to connect you with 5 to 10 new cases each month from people who need your home care services guaranteed. Does tomorrow, Tuesday at 8 a.m. work for you so I can give you a call and I can learn more about your business goals to see if we're a good fit to work together?
Right now, I do not need some services. Thank you very much.
Okay. I mean, I hear that all the time from people. And then usually once they learn a little bit more about my services, they make a better decision and they end up they have a better idea of what I can do for them. And then they can make a better decision of what they want to do or not. So could I at least...
Right now, I am not ready for those services. Thank you very much for your time.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks.
All right. Okay. I did the rebuttal and didn't work. Can't work all the time. Hi, Mary. Hope you're having a great day. Can I be connected to Susan, please?
May I ask who's calling?
This is Aaron Bogle from Tension Free Marketing. I wanted to see if I could connect you guys with 5 to 10 new cases each month who are looking for home care services.
Thank you for the call. We're all set, though. Thank you very much.
All set? So you're getting enough patients already?
We are. Thank you.
Okay. Well, have a great day.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you for calling Charter Oak Home Care. Nicole speaking.
Hi, Nicole. Hope you're having a good day. Could I be connected with a Connect, please?
Can I ask who's calling?
My name is Aaron, and I just want to see if I can connect you guys with 5 to 10 new cases each month from people who need home care services.
Okay, sure. He's actually on the phone right now.
Okay.
So I can forward you to his voicemail, and he can give you a call right back.
Sure, that can work.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay, thank you.
You have reached the voicemail of Conant Shumley. Please leave your name, number, and a brief message, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.
Hi, my name is Aaron Bogle at 973-713-1828, and I'm calling to connect you guys with 5 to 10 new cases each month from people who are looking for home care services. So for more information, please call me back at 973-713-1828. Thank you. Okay, I think their name was Nicole, actually, so I should write that down. So you may have heard me say, oh, I think her name was Nicole. This is because what I do is I send an email. Once I leave a voicemail, I send an email to the prospect and then I mention the gatekeeper's name, which in this case was Nicole. This way, it builds a little bit of familiarity, and I also give like a compliment, being like, "Oh, it was nice to speak to Nicole," and this makes the business owner, feel good because like, "Oh, I did hire, a great person. I know she's great. I hired her, etc., etc." I've used this tactic before and it's helped me book appointments, so this is what I do going forward. So even if you just leave a voicemail or you're not able to contact them, be sure to get their email address and then mention the gatekeeper's name in the email. Hi, is this Trinice?
No, this is actually Humanity Home Care, the secretary.
Oh, okay. May I be connected with Trinice Makita, please?
I'm actually working from home today, but I can take your number and have her call you.
Okay. What was your name one more time? I'm sorry.
Fatima.
Fatima? Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Is there an email address I can reach her to before I leave a message?
No, but like I said, I can take your number.
Okay. Well, my number is.
And what is this in regards to?
I want to connect it with 5 to 10 new home care cases.
Home care cases? Mm-hmm. And where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Boston, Massachusetts.
No, but your company name.
Oh, Tension Fee Marketing. Well, we are located in Boston. Yes.
Right.
Oh, I see.
Tension what?
Tension Free Marketing.
Oh, free marketing. Okay.
Yes, Tension Fee Marketing.
Okay. And did she reach out to you?
Not yet. I'm hoping to get in contact with her to see if I could help her out with her business.
I will give her the phone number, and then I will have her give you a call. Then, and what is your name?
Aaron Bogle.
Aaron.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Fatima.
I will give her the number.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
You too.
Bye. Just by the way, if they ever say that, I have made hundreds of cold calls, hundreds of calls in general. I've never gotten a cold back from the business owner. That's why I think I exaggerated a little bit here. I think maybe I've gotten a call back 1 or 2 times, but it's definitely not a common thing. So this is why this next part I say is very important. And that does not mean that you should just be like, all right, you can F off and then, hang up the phone. Because A, that's rude, and B, you never know. You still always want to leave your name and your phone number and your message because you never know. There are thousands of businesses out there, probably a good chunk of them would actually call you back. So that's no excuse just to be like, okay, you know what, never mind. Still leave your name, phone, email address, and your contact info because you never know not only if they're going to contact you back, but when they'll need you as well. Why you need to ask for the email address if you don't have it already. Simply just because they're not going to reach out to you back, so it's up to you. You can't because they have so many other things that they're doing that it's not going to be. I don't know why you didn't give me the fucking phone number for that. But.
Jennifer, how can I help you?
Hi, Jennifer. I hope you're having a good day. May I be connected with April, please?
April?
Yes. Do you have?
May have the wrong number.
Oh,
This is Oxford Home Care.
Oh, it's Oxford Home Care. Oh, I'm sorry. I just
Fine.
I just wanted to see if I could connect you guys with 5 to 10 new cases each month from people who need home care services. Could I be connected to the proper person, please?
That would be our marketing director, Ria. Hold for 1 second. Let me I'll give you her email address. She doesn't have an extension over here.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. What was your name one more time? I must have missed that at the beginning.
Jennifer.
Jennifer, thank you.
Yes. So you can reach Ria at.
I really appreciate your time.
You too.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See? That was nice because usually, so that's how you want to redirect it. See what they give you and then use that to like go after it. Like I learned from my last one.
Tone, please record your message. Thank you.
Hi, Chris. My name is Aaron Bogle and I'm calling because I want to connect you with 5 to 10 new home care cases each month, guaranteed. So if you'd like to learn more, please call me back at 973-713-1828. Thank you and have a great day. All right, so I'm gonna email the people who didn't who I got the emails for, but yeah, only really 20 minutes today. I didn't want to go too much into it today. I have other things to do, more fulfillment things to do. But yeah, I mean, no appointments. It happens. Some days I get a lot of appointments. Some days I don't. So, but yeah, it's always good to make cold calls, get more experience out there. So.